What's going on, Ninjas? My name is Maya and I'm gonna take you through a completely follow along, no equipment, cardio and mobility workout. So we're gonna be getting our heart rate up, we're gonna be sweating balls, plus we're gonna be mobilizing shoulders, chest, hips, ankles, all in one, all at the same time, which means all in one. For a quick and dirty workout. Cue that intro. Before we start sweating balls, please make sure you subscribe and then press that bell. Bing. Help me build this channel, guys. We're all about spreading love for movement, joy and positivity and ridiculousness through exercise and through health and fitness. And please make sure you go and do the warm-up video to warm up your body, activate your core, plus mobilize the wrist. We're gonna be incorporating a lot of animal flow movements and we're gonna be on the ground a lot. So I need y'all to get super ready, mind, body connected. This workout is going to have 6 exercises repeated over and over again 3 times. Each exercise will last for 30 seconds and we're going to have a 15-second rest. Anytime you need to, pause this video and extend your rest, whether it is between exercises or extend your rest between rounds. Here we go. First beat is the 15 seconds of rest, and then we're going to go into 30 seconds of skaters. So I love incorporating lateral movements in my workouts. Winges move in all the directions. Here we go. Skaters. So you're jumping off one foot, you're landing with no sound, like a cat, like a jungle puma. This is where that single leg action comes in. This is how you build muscle without having any equipment. You're turning your body into a machine. So I like to incorporate my arms. Stay with me, guys. We have 5 seconds left. Skaters. Already you can feel your abs popping when you're doing that. All right, second exercise. Here's the mobility part. We're gonna hit the ground and we're just gonna alternate crab reaches for an entire 30 seconds. So, activate crab, crab reach. No premature reaching, so get your hip up and then hit it. 30 seconds, come on. This is that shoulder mobility, plus we've got strength. If your triceps are not popping and locking when you're doing a crab reach, then you're not doing it right. I feel my triceps and my shoulders completely engaged in this crab reach. Woo! Yes, take your break. That's why we need to mobilize our wrists first. So we're gonna be on the ground again. Third exercise, we're gonna hit spinal waves. Woo! Cardio. Yo, those skaters. Okay, spinal wave. Load the beast. And then this is giving back to our spine. I've done many videos before on the spinal waves. So if you're not familiar, please go check it out. Feel the wave traveling down your vertebrae. Oh, up the lumbar spine, thoracic spine, cervical spine. Tuck the chin and say really well. Oh, okay. Fourth exercise, cardio. Yo, we're gonna be hitting alternating front kick throughs. So here's where you load that beast again. Okay, load the beast, front. You can do a front step through. Or, if you're ready, front kick through. This is cardio. This is mobility. Look at my shoulders, look at my lats, look at my hips, everything working as one. 30 seconds of animal flow of this movement is all you need to get jacked up. Okay, 5th exercise, ape, reach, and open. So more hip action, and then this time we're doing ankle mobility. Oh, I can't breathe. Let's go, deep ape. Get into your ape, reach, and open. Reach. So when you're in that ape, it's basically a deep ass to grass squat. And then you're going to come up on your foot or on your tiptoe, and then you're gonna feel the quads literally releasing steam. Woo! It's hot. Okay. Last exercise of the first round. Sprint with the sprawl, okay? So you're gonna be running as fast as you can in one place, and then you're gonna dodge bullets. I'll show you. Sprint, dodge. Get back up, sprint, dodge. If that's too hard, just sprint, and then just get down slowly, and get back up slowly. Find your level. Dodge. Run away from the cops, dodge that bullet. Get back up. Run away from the cops, dodge that bullet. Holy cow. 6. Yes. Okay, that's one round. Fudge. Take it. Okay, we're going right back into it. I'm telling you, we need to extend your break. Extend it. Skaters. Okay, round 2. Winjas. You know what to expect now. Okay, 6 exercises, 30 seconds of work. You need to be fully here with me, nowhere else. This is all that matters. This is a 13-minute workout, including the warm-up workout video. You got yourself a 26-minute workout. And I'm woo! Okay, back into the crab reaches. Holy cow. So, okay, I need to calm the F down. Okay. Initiate crab and crab reach. Don't forget to breathe. Stay with me here. We got everything working at once right now. The thing is, when you go into the mobility exercises, your heart rate never really comes down. So, this is my favorite way to do cardio. You will never find me on a treadmill, a Stairmaster, any of that. I will be out in the world dodging bullets, running from the cops, or doing something like this. Hopefully not the former. All right, we got spinal waves, guys. Okay, modification for spinal wave, if you're finding it too hard, is you can go on your knees. Tuck the chin. You can still experience the benefit of a spinal wave from the knee, and it is way easier. So please use that option if needed. Otherwise, we're almost there. We got 2 seconds. Yes. What's next? Okay. Damn, we're back at the kicks. I always ask myself, why did I program front kick throughs in? Because it's mother effing hard. Okay, alternating front kick throughs. Let's go. Load the beats. If you need to, modify. So, modify with the loaded beats to front step or front step through, okay? I'm always gonna give you options. I feel to be a good trainer, you have to give everyone option and help everyone win. And that is what the Winja way is all about. We all will find ways to win. Damn. Okay, we're at the 8th reach. I'll show you what it looks like. Straight up, okay. Okay, we're almost done round 2. Yo, the balls of sweat are coming. Reach. And open. So when you open, a lot of you guys may fall over because you're not connecting with your rib cage. Brace yourself. This is why you gotta do that warm up and activation video, because you gotta activate those deepest internal core muscles to help you maintain stability. Oh, okay. Last one of the second round. We are dodging bullets again. Sprint and sprawl. Here we go. As fast as you can, man. This is a sprint. This ain't no freaking run. Dodge. So, when I'm sprinting, I'm like Usain Bolt, yo. I'm freaking rushing into that finish line. I'm grabbing my gold medal. I'm crushing it. I'm raising that knee up. I can't even speak English right now. Okay. This is high intensity interval training. It burns a ton of fat. It freaking is highly effective. You don't need to do it for a long time. Skaters. Okay guys, Winjas, last round. Third round, by all means, you can keep doing this. Usually I like to work out for 3 to 5 rounds. But it's really hard to talk at the same time. So 3 rounds. Look, my eagle's like, do 5 rounds, do 5 rounds. Okay, let's go. Focus, focus. Crab reach. Whew. Okay, so all of these follow along workouts that I'm coming at you with is straight out of the Wind Your Way program, my online program. So if you're interested in moving like this and really understanding how to move like this and understanding all the different regressions and progressions and to have a full program created for you, please join the Wind Your Way. Check out my program. Okay, otherwise, feel free to work out with me anytime for free here or in my 5-day challenge that I've done before. Holy cow, me talking is a really good way to distract myself from everything that's happening in my life right now. Oh, I don't know where we are. Okay, spinal wave. Okay, choose. Third round, I'm gonna give it my all. Okay, the wave is traveling through my spine, down to my knees, and up. So you're gonna get hamstring stretch. You're gonna get the entire vertebrae column mobilizing and decompressing. Yes. Okay. Hot damn, it's front kick throughs. Okay, let's make ourselves proud. Give me your best 30 seconds of whichever front kick through version you're doing. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Stay with me, guys. If you need to, regress the movement. If you need to at any time, don't be a hero. I want you to have awesome form for everything because it's when we have our form on point when we're gonna get the most benefits. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was hard. Okay, 8, reach and open. Okay, hips, core stability, ankle mobility. Here we go. We're almost there. And reach. And open. When you're opening, I want you to exaggerate your hips, externally rotating even more. Okay. Breathe. Feel that. Feel the endorphins, man. We are almost done. Dig deep. Stay with me. We're almost there. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh, snap. Last exercise, you know what it is? Give me your freaking best sprint and sprawl you got. Usain Bolt, yo. Usain Bolt. Dodge. Dodge those bullets. They're coming at you. Dodge them. This is it. Come on. We got this. To the beat. Shit. Wow. 13 and a half minutes. With the warm-up, 26 minutes. So, how should you be feeling? Yeah, you should be feeling like you got sandpaper. Not sandpaper, but you got something in your chest and you're breathing really hard and you're feeling that air coming through and you feel more alive than ever. Oh, you also feel extremely proud and happy that that's over. And yeah, make sure you celebrate. Make sure you feel that pride in yourself, because when we finish a workout like this and when we start thinking about, damn, we crushed it, you're freaking awesome, you not only are doing your cardiovascular system proud, you're also doing your your joints proud. Hips, oh, also my hips are up here. Shoulders, spine, hips, ankles, everything was hit today. So that's one of my favorite ways to work out. All right, guys. Do not stop moving. Keep walking it off. Do the cool down video and decompress with me. I'm gonna go cool down. Join me back here every Tuesday, every Friday for more fun fitness content. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, so make sure you check me out there and check the description box for all types of useful links and other videos to help you with your journey.